Okay, it's little Apani and Myah. I've been doing that since I had Myah out. But yeah, it's about getting this little girl's shed out of here for her. And my grandson has donged that on poor Jack's enclosure a few times, but it's on the glass and it will make a massive loud noise for him. And even though Jack's pretty good,
the fidget spinner, fidget spinner's loud itself.
There you go. That's a pretty good shed. I can't open it because I'm holding. Well, I can. Let me do this, and let me do this. And I just ripped a little lid off. Oh my goodness. Anyway.
Good on you, Lasagna.
I know, Nana's having a real... I'm tired from last night, but she had a perfect shed, which is what I like to see. All complete, except for I snapped the little top bit off. So I'm going to get my little girl out so you can have a little look at her today. Now that she has shed. And as I said, she's a little Myah, but got no spots. Got no spots, hey, bub. Well, you do. You have a few around the top of your head, but not much anywhere else, actually. And I'm going to be sitting on a ball unless somebody moves it. I'll just rest Apani on that. That's how easy it is with a little snake. She can just wrap herself around the camera, and she's quite comfortable. And you need off up there. Oh, Bob, off there, bub.
Oh.
Okay, crawl on my other hand, sweetie. Can you do that? Whoop! Let's get you.
Oh.
Cool. She's a-coming.
Oh.
Here she is. Okay, let's put her down. And as you can see, there's such a size difference, but she's a-growing, aren't you? You're growing.
And then, look.
So,
I chucked it up and then I put it like this.
my grandson's going to interrupt a multitude of times. I'm not even watching Will at the moment. He'll kick my butt when I do say something to him. But I'm sure he'll understand as well. So, I just wanted to get Apani out briefly for you to see, even though that light isn't in the best spot really. And she's so little as well. But, yeah, she's growing. As they do. I always say that, don't I? They're growing. But this time of the year they are. And she's not quite ready for fuzzies
A big enclosure
at all.
Too. And another
But
big enclosure.
she's getting almost ready for a new enclosure. And so is Myah. So, that's the next thing to do. Is sort the two little girls out, and I will be getting Tessa out. I would really like to take her outside today. I'm just trying to get Apani back so you can see her, but she's she's little, but she wants to explore, don't you? Hey, that's what you want to do. You want to explore. She said, I'll take the camera.
Nah.
That'll be good for me to explore.
What you would call it?
So I'm just going to add this onto the end. And I'm going to put in a little video of Apani's mum, who was Luna. And I have put a clip in before of Luna. But I'll put it in again so people can see where this little girl actually came from, which was Apani's mum. Luna had 12 eggs, or laid 12 eggs. So, and that was only a few days ago. So Luna's a little bit funny at the moment, and it would be quite happy. Well, she hasn't gone me, so she's not been too bad, but poor Adrian was getting her out, and she was gonna go, but you know, she's out and she's quite calm, but you know, she's wanting to be eating right now, and plus her eggs are incubating, so I'm sure she's wondering where her eggs have actually gone as well. So that's wonderful news. She's got a new home to go to. I hope I put that in the right place. But yes, 12 new bugs. Of course, whether 12 actually hatch or not will be interesting to see. Yeah, as to how many will survive. But 12 eggs for this little girl, that's an incredible job. So I'm not going to keep Luna out too long today, just because of the fact that, you know, she does need to rest up and eat. That's all she pretty much wants to do at the moment. So, but good on Luna. And my news about Luna is I'm going to get one of her babies. So I've got a fairly long wait to go, but well, 50 odd days before they're actually will look at hatching. But I'm so excited. I would have taken Luna, but you know, she has found a home to go to. So we're fortunate that I've come over today before she's going off to her new owners. You know, they want to get her fed up and build up her energies and everything before she leaves. So well done, my Luna. So yeah, I can't wait to get a baby. So
oh, now I remember.
Yeah. So guys, I'm going to leave it there, and I will just end it with bye for this
Ciao.
one. I want to ciao. Okay. Bye.